Imagine making $500 a week without lifting a finger. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not! We're talking about the power of AI, baby. These tools are like having a team of robots working for you 24/7, bringing in the cash while you sleep, chill, or maybe even count your stacks of cash. In today's video, we're going to reveal the top free AI tools that can help you achieve this dream effortlessly. We're not talking about getting rich quick schemes, alright? This is about using technology to work smarter, not harder. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech genius to use these tools. If I can do it, anyone can. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to unlock the secrets to financial freedom with the power of AI. Let's go! First up, we've got ChatGPT, the AI chatbot that's about to revolutionize the way you handle customer service. Imagine this, you're sound asleep dreaming about piles of cash, and bam, someone buys a product from your website. Now normally you'd have to wake up, answer their questions, maybe deal with some shipping issues. It's a pain, right? Well, not anymore. With ChatGPT, you can program this AI beast to answer all those frequently asked questions, handle order tracking, and even deal with returns. It's like having a tireless customer service rep working around the clock, making sure your customers are happy and your sales are booming. And the best part? You can set it all up in just a few clicks. ChatGPT is super user-friendly. Even your grandma could figure it out. Plus, it's constantly learning and improving, so the more you use it, the better it gets at handling those customer interactions. Think about it. Less time dealing with customer service headaches means more time for you to focus on what really matters. Growing your business, coming up with new ideas, or maybe just chilling by the pool with a giant inflatable duck. ChatGPT can handle it all, from simple inquiries to complex issues. It's like having a personal assistant for your business, available 24/7 to take care of those pesky customer interactions. And the best part is, it's completely free to use. So ditch those late-night customer service calls and let ChatGPT handle the heavy lifting. Your customers will be happy, you'll be stress-free, and your bank account will thank you. It's a win-win-win situation. Don't underestimate the power of automation, my friends. ChatGPT is a game-changer for anyone looking to streamline their business and boost their profits. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account and start automating your customer service today. Trust me, once you experience the magic of ChatGPT, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Next up, we're diving into the world of design with Canva, the ultimate tool for creating stunning visuals that sell. Now I know what you're thinking, Max, I'm no artist, I can barely draw a stick figure. And you know what? That's totally fine. Canva makes design so easy even a 5-year-old could create professional-looking graphics. We're talking social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, website banners, even those fancy ebook covers that make you look like a New York Times bestseller. And the best part? Canva has thousands of pre-made templates to choose from, so you don't even need to start from scratch. Just pick a template, customize it with your own branding and message, and boom, you've got yourself a masterpiece. But Canva isn't just about pretty pictures. It's about creating marketing materials that convert. We're talking eye-catching visuals that grab attention, compelling calls to action that make people click, and a consistent brand identity that screams professionalism. And the best part? Canva integrates seamlessly with all your favorite tools, so you can share your designs directly to social media, download them for your website, or even send them to print. It's like having a one-stop shop for all your design needs. So ditch those expensive design agencies and unleash your inner creative genius with Canva. It's the secret weapon for entrepreneurs, marketers, and anyone who wants to make their brand stand out from the crowd. And the best part? Canva has a generous free plan that's perfect for getting started. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account and start designing like a pro today. Trust me, once you experience the power of Canva, you'll wonder how you ever survived without it. Chapter 3. Jasper AI, your personal content creation machine. Now let's talk about content, baby. We all know content is king, but who's got time to write blog posts, website copy, and social media updates all day long? Not me, that's for sure. That's where Jasper AI comes in, the AI-powered writing assistant that's about to become your new best friend. Imagine this. You give Jasper a topic, a few keywords, and maybe a sprinkle of your brand's personality, and bam! It spits out high-quality, engaging content that's ready to publish. We're talking blog posts, articles, website copy, social media captions, even those long-form sales pages that make you money while you sleep. Jasper is like having a team of professional writers at your fingertips, except it doesn't need coffee breaks, vacations, or sleep. It's the ultimate content creation machine, churning out fresh original content 24/7. And the best part? Jasper is constantly learning and improving. So the more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your brand's voice and tone. It's like having a personal copywriter who knows your business inside and out. So ditch writer's block, say goodbye to those expensive freelance writers, and let Jasper AI take your content strategy to the next level. It's the secret weapon for bloggers, marketers, and anyone who wants to dominate the online world with killer content. And the best part? Jasper offers a free trial so you can experience the magic for yourself. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free trial and start creating content like a boss today. Trust me, once you experience the power of Jasper AI, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Chapter 4. Lumen 5. Create scroll-stopping videos in a flash. Alright, let's talk video, baby. We all know video is king when it comes to grabbing attention online. But who's got the time, money, and fancy equipment to create those high-quality videos that make people stop scrolling and say, "Whoa, what is this?" Well, guess what? You don't need any of that. With Lumen 5, you can create professional-looking videos in minutes, even if you've never edited a video in your life. We're talking engaging videos with music, transitions, text animations, the whole shebang. Lumen 5 is like having a Hollywood-level video editing team at your fingertips, except it doesn't cost a fortune or demand a ridiculous amount of coffee. It's the ultimate video creation tool for entrepreneurs, marketers, and anyone who wants to captivate their audience with stunning visuals. And the best part? Lumen 5 has a library of millions of royalty-free images and videos, so you don't have to worry about copyright issues or spending a fortune on stock footage. It's like having a treasure trove of visual content at your fingertips. So ditch those expensive video editors, say goodbye to those complicated editing softwares, and let Lumen 5 unleash your inner Spielberg. It's the secret weapon for anyone who wants to create scroll-stopping videos that get results. And the best part? Lumen 5 has a free plan that's perfect for getting started. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account and start creating videos like a pro today. Trust me, once you experience the power of Lumen 5, you'll wonder how you ever survived without it. Chapter 5. Zapier, the glue that holds your AI empire together. We've got all these amazing AI tools working for us, but how do we connect them all together? I mean, who wants to waste time manually transferring data between different platforms? Not me, that's for sure. That's where Zapier comes in, the automation tool that's about to change your life. Imagine this. You get a new lead from your website. Normally, you'd have to manually enter their information into your CRM, then create a new task in your project management tool, and then send them a welcome email. Talk about a time suck, right? Well, not anymore. With Zapier, you can automate all of those tasks with just a few clicks. It's like having a personal assistant who works tirelessly behind the scenes, connecting all your favorite apps and automating your workflows. Zapier can connect to over 5,000 different apps, so the possibilities are pretty much endless. You can use it to automate your social media marketing, manage your email list, track your expenses, and so much more. And the best part? Zapier is incredibly easy to use. You don't need to be a tech genius to figure it out. It's as simple as drag, drop, and automate. So ditch those tedious manual tasks, say goodbye to those countless hours wasted on repetitive work, and let Zapier take your productivity to the next level. It's the secret weapon for entrepreneurs, marketers, and anyone who wants to work smarter, not harder. And the best part? Zapier has a free plan that's perfect for getting started. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account and start automating your work life today. Trust me, once you experience the power of Zapier, you'll wonder how you ever survived without it. So there you have it, folks. 5 powerful AI tools that can help you earn $500 a week or more on Autopilot. And the best part? They're all completely free to use, or at least have free trials. Now I know what you're thinking. Max, this sounds too good to be true. And you know what? I don't blame you for being skeptical. But trust me on this one, these tools are the real deal. They're already helping thousands of people around the world achieve financial freedom and live the lives of their dreams. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring these tools, experiment with different strategies, and see what works best for you. If you found these tools helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money online. And be sure to let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try out. Until next time, stay hungry, stay foolish, and keep hustling.